stop scrolling for a second. If you're a photographer, a filmmaker, or a content creator, you need to pay attention right now. For the last few years, we have been waiting for the perfect hybrid camera. We wanted something that didn't force us to choose between speed and resolution. We wanted a camera that could shoot cinematic video without overheating and capture fast action without missing focus. And for a long time, we thought we had to spend $6,000 on a flagship model to get that. But the game has just changed. The leaks are out, the specs are confirmed, and the release date is set. The Sony A7V is coming, and it is not just an update. It is a complete redefinition of what a mid-range camera can do. Let's start with the heart of this beast, because this is where the controversy began. When the first rumors leaked, people saw 33 megapixels and groaned. They thought it was the same old sensor from the A7 IV. They were wrong. This is a brand new, next-generation 33 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. The magic word here is stacked. In the past, stacked sensors were reserved for the ultra-expensive Sony A1 and A9 series. They allow data to be read off the sensor incredibly fast. Why does this matter to you? It means rolling shutter is dead. You know that jello effect when you whip your camera around while filming? It's gone. It means your 4K video will look cinematic and stable, even when you are running. It means when you take a burst of photos, the camera won't freeze up or lag. It changes the entire feel of shooting. It makes the camera feel instant. Sony stuck with 33 megapixels for a very specific reason. It is the Goldilocks zone. It gives you enough resolution for huge commercial prints and aggressive cropping, but the files aren't so massive that they choke your computer or fill up your memory cards in 10 minutes. It keeps the camera fast, efficient, and lethal in low light. This is a camera designed for working professionals who need to deliver thousands of images, not just spec sheet chasers. But a sensor is useless without a brain to control it. And this is where the A7V gets truly scary. Sony is bringing its full AI-driven autofocus system to this mid-range body. This isn't just about finding faces anymore. This camera uses deep learning to understand the world. It recognizes humans, animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, and planes. But it goes deeper. It understands human poses. It knows where your eyes should be, even if you turn your head away. It tracks the helmet of a motorcycle rider. It locks onto the eye of a bird in flight. Imagine shooting a wedding reception with crazy disco lights and people dancing erratically. The autofocus on the A7V won't get confused. It will stick to your subject like glue. Imagine filming a vlog walking down a busy street. The camera knows to keep you in focus and ignore the people walking behind you. This AI system transforms the camera from a tool into a partner. It does the hard work for you so you can focus on composition and lighting. And speaking of vlogging and video, let's talk about stabilization. The A7V is rumored to have a significantly upgraded in-body image stabilization system. Sony has tuned the 5-axis gyro specifically for hybrid shooters. This means you can handhold shots that used to require a gimbal. You can walk and talk without the footage looking like an earthquake. For photographers, it means you can shoot at slower shutter speeds in low light and still get tack-sharp images. It frees you from carrying heavy gear. It makes you agile. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: speed. Sony is likely capping the burst rate at around 15 frames per second. Some people might say, but the A9 shoots faster. Sure, but 15 frames per second on a stacked sensor is different. Because the readout is so fast, every single one of those 15 frames will be in perfect focus. There is no blackout in the viewfinder. You see exactly what you are shooting in real time. It is a smooth, continuous stream of action. For 99% of photographers, 15 perfect frames are better than 30 blurry ones. The video specs are also getting a massive overhaul. We are looking at 4K 60p with 4:2:210-bit color, likely oversampled from 6K for incredible sharpness. And thanks to that stacked sensor, overheating should be a thing of the past. You can record long interviews, podcasts, or wedding ceremonies without staring at a temperature warning icon. Sony is also expected to including UD S Cinetone and improved color science right out of the box. Skin tones will look natural. Greens won't look radioactive. It is ready to shoot straight to YouTube or be graded for a film festival. The body itself is getting refined too. Sony listens to its users. We expect a better grip, deeper buttons, and a screen that you can actually see in bright sunlight. The electronic viewfinder will be sharp and vibrant, giving you a true-to-life preview of your exposure. It is these small quality-of-life improvements that make a camera a joy to use for 12 hours a day. So, why is this happening now? Why December? The timing is strategic genius. Canon and Nikon have stumbled recently. Their latest releases were good, but they weren't groundbreaking. Sony saw an opening. They finished this camera a while ago, but they waited. They waited for the perfect moment to drop the hammer. By releasing it in December, they capture the holiday hype and set the tone for the entire next year. They're telling the world that they are still the kings of mirrorless. This camera is for the wedding photographer who needs reliability. It is for the YouTuber who needs perfect autofocus. It is for the traveler who wants pro quality in a small package. It is the do-everything machine we have been dreaming of. The Sony A7V isn't just a new model number. It is a signal that the future of photography is fast, intelligent, and accessible. It proves that you don't need to spend $6,000 to get top-tier performance. My best opinion is that the stacked sensor in a mid-range body is the game-changer here. I cannot overstate how much rolling shutter ruins footage on standard mirrorless cameras. If Sony has truly fixed that at this price point, this camera becomes the default recommendation for every single video creator on the planet. The AI autofocus is just the cherry on top. This is the camera that finally makes the hybrid dream a reality without the usual compromises. It is going to sell like crazy, and frankly, it deserves to. If you like this video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech news.